Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Real English with Arash. Today we are going to talk about um, describing a series of events. Okay, so when we describe a series of events, we talk about actions in the order they happened. Okay, we usually use the past simple tense, use time linkers or sequencing words, and put events in a logical order. Okay, so what do we mean when we say a series of events? When we answer these questions, there are a series of events. What happened first? What happened next? What happened after that? And how did it end? Okay, so let's see what are the ways. Uh, Common ways to describe a series of events. For beginning, we say first, at first, in the beginning, before, one day, and suddenly. For middle, we say then, next, after that, later, when, while, during, at the same time. Okay? And for ending, we say finally, in the end, eventually, as a result, so, therefore. Okay? And let's see some examples. For a busy morning, we say, first I woke up late, then I jumped out of a bed and took a quick shower. After that, I made some coffee. Next, I checked my emails. Finally, I left the house and caught the bus. Okay. Another example, before the interview, I received my notes. When I arrived, I felt nervous. Then the manager asked me several questions. After I answered the questions, we talked about the salary. In the end, they offered me the job. Another example, yesterday my computer suddenly stopped working. First, I tried to restart it. Then I called the IT department. After they checked it and they found a virus. And finally, they fixed the problem. Now, let's see some conversations. Okay, it's better to know the context and situations. Okay, why were you so stressed yesterday? First, I woke up late. Oh no, then what happened? Then I rushed to the airport. Did you catch your flight? No, when I arrived, the gate was closed. In the end, I had to buy a new ticket. How was your first day at work? It was interesting. First, I met my manager. Nice. What did you do next? Then she showed me around the office. And after that, I met my team and started my first task. So, how did it finish? In the end, I felt more confident. And the last conversation, you weren't at work yesterday. What happened? Well, first I felt a strong headache. That's no good. That's not good. Then I started feeling dizzy. Did you see a doctor? Yes, after the doctor examined me, he gave me some medicine. Are you better now? Yes, finally, I feel much better. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope there were some useful examples. Then you can practice, okay? You can memorize some of the examples, some sentences, and use it in uh, your life in daily conversations. Or you can talk to yourself and describe a situation and use these words. Okay? Thank you so much. See you next time.